Michael, or should I call you Audrey? I want to play a game. For years, you've tortured helpless babysitters and innocent victims with no explanation. Are you that afraid of your own reasoning, Michael? Or are you just that entitled? Are these people so far beneath your mighty prowess, they deserve no motive for their senseless slayings? Today that changes, Michael. Today your voice will be heard, or you will finally die. The door you see before you represents your freedom. All you need to do is remove your mask and speak. Explain why you killed your sister all those years ago, and I will release you. Explain why you commit these heinous deeds, and you will be freed. Do not, and this room will become your tomb. Explain or die. The choice is yours. I'll be watching. Aren't you getting hungry, Michael? Thirsty? Do you really want to degrade yourself by having to pull off your jumpsuit and defecate in the corner? Right in front of us? Wouldn't you rather just say the words and free yourself? I know you can. I know you want to. I just DoorDashed some Kentucky Fried Chicken, Michael. Popcorn chicken dipped in pillowy mounds of mashed potatoes. Doesn't that sound nice? No? How about the Doberman we picked up at the pound on the way here? Yes, I know you like to dine on dog. I'll tell you what. Tell me why, and I'll let him in there with you. Better yet, just say anything, and I will feed to you this dog. Say apple, orange, banana. I don't care. Just say something. God damn you. You motherfucker. You know I'm sick, right? I don't have all year to watch you shit and piss your jumpsuit. You haven't eaten. You haven't slept. You haven't moved except for to breathe. All I've watched you do is breathe for a goddamn month. In and out. In and out. Aren't you at the very least fucking bored? Say something! Alright. My lease is literally up on this site. If I have to sign a new one, I swear to God, you're gonna be the first person I literally kill myself. Either you speak, or I will wheel my goddamn oxygen tank in there and beat your ass with it like your mother should have years ago. Congratulations, Michael. You win. I have to die now.
Who can take a sunrise? Sprinkle it with dew. Michael is so dead, and I hope he knows Abu. 15 years without that piece of shit. That dry ass smelling, Captain Kirk wearing, no good, Crystal of Lake killer wannabe. I like a fuck. hot a little bit. It's a little hot too. I'm feeling good. Let's get some Asian tea out. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Boom. Ooh, yeah. That's like that goddamn Slim Jim man. Oh, yeah. Back. It's hot. It's looking good. What the hell? I thought it made more than this. Anyway, well, I guess it's, Motherfucker! Stop shit! You asshole! With your flip-flops! You nasty fungus! Die! Die! Diarrhea! Die as fucking shit! Oh no, Mike. Oh fuck, it's over.